Blue. I have things. Done. It looks nothing like what I expected. I want to make like a little car town, kind of like my donut town, my ice cream town. But I'm picturing my car ice cream in the air with like some sort of cloud steps and tiny things. I don't know which the best car is. Blue. I did. Let me try another one. Time for some distant stars. I have things. I want everything from here. I just want this guy. I want it red. Oops. Oops. Alright, I'm just about done here. Wow! Done. It looks nothing like what I expected. Nothing like what I expected. That's my car town. I don't like, so like my previous mini towns, like the donut and the ice cream and, oh, there's one I haven't shared yet, which is totally outrageous. At this point in time, like it will be shared by the time I share this artwork. Okay, so it's a giraffe exploding. It's really fucking sick. I don't know if this one gives off the same vibe where you've got like a giant thing and mini things, but like I did it and I like it, but it's not that. But so that was my goal, but the outcome didn't reflect the goal. But it's still awesome. If you want to check out any of these artworks, there's a link below to this one, and then if you click a few buttons, maybe you'll get to the other ones. Oh, I've got like this other channel where I share like behind the scenes of what it's actually like to be an artist. The videos are really old, but like check it out, and then if you want to like see the newer videos, they're on my Patreon. But yeah. Oh, time lapse up here as well. Time lapse. If you want to check out the time lapse, see how it's actually made in a different version.